If you have a coolant leak out of a heater hose on your 2000 to 2006 Chevy Silverado, right back here, I'll show you how to fix it. The part that needs replaced is similar to this one right here. This is a replacement part that I got from NAPA. I'll put the numbers for these parts in the description for this video. You're going to need to pick up a release tool like this one. I also got this at NAPA. I'll show you how this release tool works using this new connector. You open up the release tool and you put it around the pipe that is coming off the heater core. So that'll end up being behind this connector up against the firewall, and after you got it around the pipe, you can slide it up inside the connector, and that will release the fingers that you can see inside. And once those fingers are pushed back, you can slide this off the pipe that comes off the heater core. Pretty simple. First thing that we'll have to do is remove the heater hose. Next, we'll put this release tool behind that on the pipe coming off the heater core. Okay, it didn't come off as easy as it just looked. I actually had to turn this quite a few times around the pipe to loosen it up pretty good, and then at the same time working this clamp inside the back side of this connector. Took about 2 minutes. Now, I read online that it's a good idea to put like some dielectric grease or something similar inside on where the O-rings are, where the seal is. So I think I'm going to go ahead and do it. I'll put some dielectric grease in there. Okay, I've got a little dielectric grease on the inside, and I'll go ahead and put it on the heater core pipe. Okay, should just have to push it on now. There, I heard it click, so it should be on there. And it's tight. All right. I got the hose and the clamp back on. Now I'll check my coolant level, and then I'll start it up and try it. I've had the truck running about 10 minutes now so that it's up to normal operating temperature, and there's plenty of heat coming out of the heater, and I don't see any leak anymore. Excellent.